Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add your WordPress website to Google Search Console. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, look for Google Search Console on Google, like that. Then visit the first result to land on this page, search.google.com/search-console/about. After that, click on Start Now. Here, if your Google Search Console account, if this is your first website, you will land on this page. Then go with URL prefix instead of domain. This is a crucial step in order for easy website ownership verification later. In my case, this is my WordPress website, so I will copy the website URL like that, then paste it here. Click on continue. Now you need to verify your website ownership. Here Google Search Console recommends this HTML file verification method, but you can also verify using other or different methods, which, for example, the HTML tag, the Google Analytics, the Google Tag Manager, or domain name provider. Since you have a WordPress website, and yes, the recommended method is the uploading the HTML file to your website files, but since I am explaining this for all websites hosted on different web hosting companies, I will go with the HTML tag method because it is universal. Wherever your website is hosted on, the verification method remains the same. So copy this line, then go to your WordPress dashboard. To log into your WordPress dashboard, just add wp-admin after your website name. You will land on this login page. Fill in your WordPress username and password. After that, go to plugins, click on add plugin. Now search for header. And look for this plugin called WP code in search headers and footers. Click on it like that. Click on install now. Activate. Now go to just hover over code snippets and select header and footer. Now paste the code you've just added like that. Click on save changes. Settings saved. Now go back to Google Search Console and click on verify. As you see, ownership verified successfully. Now click on go to property, and now your website is added to Google Search Console. Now you can add a sitemap from this page. You can inspect if a page is indexed on Google or not from here. You can check the performance of your website later after Google started collecting data on your website. And this is how to add your website, or this is how to add a WordPress website to Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.